Hi there. Thanks so much for joining me again. I believe we're on day 17. This is going to be really short. It's a Monday. I do back-to-back phone calls on Monday, and so I tend to be really mentally worn out by the end of the day, and I still have to get through my email. So anyway, just wanted to say thanks for joining, and that at a little bit more than the halfway through point on this, I'm definitely getting more comfortable being on video, but realize that I definitely still want to learn how to edit a video, particularly with removing a section of. I don't even know what it would be called because I haven't even looked into it that far. All I know how to do right now is trim the beginning and the end. So I am glad that I've undertaken this challenge, and it's causing me to make a commitment to something in a longer term focus that I don't necessarily want to do. It's very easy to commit to the things we want to do, but tends to be a little bit harder on the things that we don't want to do. And I don't really want to be on video every day trying to think of something to talk about and really putting myself out there in the way that I have been. Because I am 100% a person who likes to be behind the scenes and just doing work, doing some really amazing work, but definitely not a fan of being on camera. So I really just wanted to take this moment to recognize for myself and to prompt you, if you're watching this, to recognize for yourself, like, what is something you can give yourself kudos for? What have you undertaken that maybe is beyond your comfort zone, and to just applaud yourself for that progress and just doing it and knowing that we don't have to stick with it forever. So that really just kind of some miscellaneous random ramblings today. That's kind of just what's on my mind. I hope you have a wonderful day. And if I knew how to edit videos all the way, I would probably take that out before posting. All right, have a fantastic day. See you tomorrow.